robots are taking over everything. Or are they? Well, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard that AI is already taking over the workforce. But is it really? Or is it just replacing all your repetitive manual and admin work? Well, today, let's discuss 5 key ways that AI is reshaping the way businesses hire and why the smartest businesses are combining automation with real and talented humans from all over the globe. Change number 1. AI is raising the bar for offshore talent. With AI handling more of the repetitive admin stuff, businesses aren't just looking for someone who can follow instructions anymore. They're looking for offshore staff who can critically make smart decisions and use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, or Fathom to do their jobs even better and faster than before. This means that the demand is shifting from can they do this task to can they work alongside AI to improve the output. More and more business owners are hiring this way, but instead of just copying what they're already doing, did you know you can hire in an even smarter way? All you need to do is book a free discovery call with our team at Outsourcing Angel, and we'll look for a tech-savvy offshore staff member who knows how to work with AI, not to be replaced by it. So our experts have been finding the perfect offshore staff for over 500 plus businesses for over 10 years. And with AI, our hiring and vetting processes have gotten even better. So just go to outsourcingangel.com/discovery or click the link in the description below to book a free discovery call with us. Now let's go to the next item on our list. Change number 2, AI is speeding up the hiring process if you use it right. So gone are the days of reading 100 resumes manually. AI-powered recruitment tools can now shortlist applicants, screen for skills, and even conduct basic interviews with chatbots. But here's the thing, human touch still matters. Technology streamlines our hiring and vetting process, but it's our people who ensure you get someone who's not just qualified, but someone aligned with your business, your working style, and even your core values. So yes, AI is making hiring offshore staff faster, but it's still humans making the final call. That's how you make sure you get the right fit. Change number 3, AI is changing the tasks you delegate offshore. Before AI, offshore staff might have been hired mostly for repetitive work, such as data entry, inbox sorting, and your calendar management. Now, AI handles all the repetitive stuff, and your offshore staff gets to focus on higher value work, like content repurposing, social media scheduling with AI tools, using AI analytics to support decision making, and more. So when you hire your offshore staff today, you're not just hiring someone for the grunt work, you're hiring a strategic partner who knows how to delegate to the AI themselves. It's like your assistant has their own assistant. Isn't that cool? So change number 4, AI is making training and onboarding easier than ever. Training offshore staff used to take forever and a day, but now you can actually create training videos in minutes using AI voiceovers. You can use AI to even transcribe calls, summarize SOPs, and even create onboarding quizzes. That means that you hire faster and you can ramp up your staff's productivity within days, not weeks. And once they're trained, you can use the same tools to continue learning, improving, and staying up to date, and you don't have to micromanage a thing. But before you go off and implement AI for everything, here's a little reminder. AI makes very confident mistakes. AI can be like that one friend who says, "Trust me, I know a shortcut," and gets you lost for 2 hours. So it's still best to have a hand in your offshore staff's training as much as possible. For example, every time you use ChatGPT, there's a tiny little text at the bottom that says, "ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info." That little disclaimer there is just like all the T's and C's that we never bother to read. But we trust ChatGPT's results the same way we click agree on T's and C's. In short, fact checking with AI is non-negotiable. Change number 5, AI is enabling smarter, leaner, and remote teams. This is a big one. You no longer need a massive team to get massive results. With the right offshore staff and the right AI tools, you can actually build a lean, high-performing team that runs well like a well-oiled machine. It's not about replacing people with AI, it's about empowering them with AI. And the businesses that figured this out early, they're the ones who stay competitive, efficient, and way ahead of the curve. So are the robots coming for your job? Maybe. But should you replace your team with AI? Absolutely not. Should you empower your team, especially your virtual team, with AI? Heck yes. Because at the end of the day, Siri might know the weather, but she still can't follow up with your leads and make sure that they feel special. At Outsourcing Angel, we match you with real humans who are tech savvy, resourceful, and already embracing AI to level up your business. So if you want to hire smarter, not harder, book a free discovery call with us. Just go to outsourcingangel.com/discovery or click the link in the description below so we can find an AI-empowered offshore staff for your business. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comments if you've made it this far. See you next time.